You know that sluggish feeling when you wake up, like your body is stuck in neutral and refusing to shift gears. It's like the whole world is moving at warp speed and you're just trying to keep up, but your energy levels are stuck in the slow lane. That's when I discovered the gelatin trick, and it's been a total game changer for me. The best part is it only requires 3 simple ingredients: gelatin, lemon juice, and water. Yep, you read that right. Just these 3 basic ingredients can make a huge difference in how you feel. When you incorporate the gelatin trick into your daily routine, you start to notice the difference it makes in your overall well-being. Your digestive system starts to function more smoothly, and you begin to feel more balanced and grounded. The gelatin trick is all about finding that balance, and it's amazing how something so simple can be so effective. I love that the gelatin trick is something I can easily customize to fit my needs, and it's become a staple in my daily routine. To learn more about the gelatin trick and how to make it work for you, check out the link in the description below for a detailed walkthrough, and be sure to take a look at the pinned comment for some helpful tips to get you started. By incorporating the gelatin trick into your life, you'll be on your way to a healthier, happier you.